This super healthy, quick and easy veggie moong lentils or moong dal poha is so delicious that not only you, your kids would also become a fan of this lip-smacking dish. So keep watching the video till the end, and if you like the recipe, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to Dash of Delight for more such interesting vegetarian and vegan recipes. I've taken 1 cup of split moong lentils, also known as yellow moong dal. They need no introduction in India, but outside the country they are readily available in Costco. They sell big moong dal packets of 7 lbs each. I've also dropped in the picture of the packet for your reference and convenience, or you can grab them from any Indian store under the lentil section. I'm gonna start off with washing the lentils thoroughly. So rub it with your hands and wash it at least 2 to 3 times. Keep discarding this yellow water and wash until you get clear, transparent water. See, like so. Then fill up the bowl with water and let it soak overnight. Now, if you don't have enough time, at least soak for 4 to 5 hours. Or if you're in an absolute hurry, you can also soak moong dal in hot water for a couple of hours. But normal soaking overnight works the best. Now transfer it into a colander and drain out all the water. Now in 2 tablespoons of oil, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let them crackle and then add half teaspoon cumin seeds. Then add half an onion. Saute for a few seconds and add half teaspoon turmeric powder followed by 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. Turmeric powder will give really nice and vibrant color to the dish, so please don't skip it. I'm adding 3 green chilies here. You take as per your taste. Alright, now I'm gonna add some vegetables. So here I have some green peas, chopped carrots and corn kernels followed by some salt. You can add any vegetable of your own choice. Saute everything for 2 to 3 minutes on medium to high flame and then add all the soaked moong dal here. There we go. Now mix everything together for at least couple of minutes on medium heat. You can also check and adjust for salt here if you feel like. Then add around 1.5 cup of water. Now please pay attention guys, as this is the most crucial part of this recipe. We really need to be careful while adding water, so please be mindful and do not exceed the quantity of water. Then simmer the gas, place the lid and let it cook for a total of 15 minutes. Well, in between you can also give it a stir after 6 to 7 minutes, but then again cover and cook for 10 more minutes or until the lentils are nicely done. So it's been 15 minutes and guys, see, my lentils look exactly the way I wanted them to. They are perfectly cooked without being mushy at all. So let me show you. They are absolutely soft and tender without being mushy or hard. This is the very reason why the quantity of water is so important in this recipe. In fact, any moong dal recipe. Now add in handful of chopped cilantro or coriander leaves followed by half lemon or lime juice. I'm also adding 1 teaspoon of jaggery powder as I like a tint of sweetness and I don't use white sugar. But this is optional for you guys. You can go ahead as per your taste. You can also add handful of roasted peanuts. So that's it guys. Here comes your gorgeous bowl of health and taste. Vegetable moong lentils or moong dal poha. Trust me guys, this is an amazing idea to get the goodness of moong dal without going the traditional way. So try out this recipe and I'll see you in the next episode. Take care. Bye bye.